Good morning, traders. This is Alla Peters on fabulous, incredible Valentine's morning at 10:03 EST. Let's take a look on oil and let's discuss what to expect. This is institutional chart of oil present in front of you for years. This morning, if oil anywhere near 55, you are not leaving the screen. 55 is ultimate support, is ultimate level where no matter how bearish the news will be, your bias is bullish. That's simple. Why in the world am I saying that? Because this is the end of the minor trend. 55 institutional support previously was institutional resistance. It had taken oil over a year to break through this level. Absolutely no surprise where oil sell-off had started, as reversal zone had been reached. Weekly chart is my favorite chart of all times that give you these levels weeks and months in advance. 55 is a place to never ever ever short near. Why in the world am I saying that? Because Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the market that currently we're witnessing the accuracy of the method on 1-minute chart on S&P. This is a level that's in a play currently is a brick wall. Yesterday, this level been in a play for over an hour. But exact same identical formula applies to any chart. Doesn't matter if it's Apple, doesn't matter if it's Facebook, doesn't matter if it's Euro. Bright pink line, never to be ignored. It's ultimate resistance right now. It will be ultimate support on oil. And this is what is in a play on shorter term chart on oil. If you trade with institutions and not against them, you as a day trader always using long-term charts. You're moving from weekly to daily. This is daily, traders. This is a chart that's been present in front of you for months. We discussed yesterday morning that we are at reversal zone, bias is bullish. If price collapsing to here, it's a gift. And again, no surprise where sell-off had started. In January, it's a reversal zone, but price respected famous 63 on daily for days. At the time of oil news release, I will convert hourly to 1-minute chart. This is your day trading chart. You don't have to wait for days, weeks, and months to witness the accuracy of the method. When you are seeing on hourly, this is reversal zone. Keep your fingers crossed that oil will come out with bullish news. Because when day trading support and reversal zone correlates with institutional support, you're never leaving the screen, ever. This is where buyers stepped in from on oil last time. Ultimate resistance became ultimate support. And if you understand the importance of reversal zone on hourly at 55, let me remind you, that was the reversal zone on monthly in 2016. Identified years in advance. So, price reversed from reversal zone on monthly. Will price reverse today and reach 55 on your day trading chart? All the same formula, the only difference the time frame you trade. The only difference if you're holding position 5 minutes, 5 hours, 5 days, 5 weeks or 5 years, choice is yours. Formula remains the same. At the time of oil news release, when we convert the chart, this will be support, this will be resistance. At this level, your bias is bearish. Bright pink line. At this level, your bias is bullish. But Institutional support is what we are especially interested. Famous 55. So, all the same formula. Monthly chart you holding position for months and years. Spelled out it was a reversal zone on February 2016. And that's where buyers came from. No surprise. And that's what we would like to see during trading room hours. And if this is not going to play out during trading room hours, but you're a knowledgeable Fibonacci trader who had taken Fibonacci Mastery Course, you know the rules, you know what to do with your position. Hand holding in trading will never work. Never forget that. And that's what we're witnessing in a play right now on multiple instruments. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. Every single trade once again reaching Fibonacci targets. In the course you learn that decision point 2 is a key target and you're moving your stop outside of break-even. Every single trade I always convert to 1 minute chart so you can instantly see the accuracy of the method. Are you surprised? This morning once again my bias is bullish, just like yesterday morning. What price will do next at reversal zone holding the key. No surprises here. I brought up these two different charts with drastically different targets on purpose, so you can see instantly the accuracy of the method. Are you seeing the pullback already because reversal zone had been reached? I expect a pullback, of course. It's a reversal zone, traders. No surprise. The trade is not on 1 minute, but every single chart, always and forever, I convert to 1 minute. As remember I said, knowledgeable trader respects it as key target and moving the stop outside of break-even. No surprise whatsoever. This is not the place to enter. This is a place where you monitor for reversal. All exact same formula. Agree? This is exact same identical dance as Apple playing out right now. Apple been in pain most of 2017 as reversal zone had been reached. Remember that? This is S&P right now, 1 minute chart. Reversal zone, not the place to buy. Will moving averages give you these levels minutes, hours, days, weeks and months in advance? Pretty please tell me. Every single indicator on the planet is delayed. Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the markets, period. Nothing else is natural, nothing else predictive. That pure and that simple. And that's what you learn in the course. Price comes to reversal zone, you expect reversal. No surprise whatsoever. Every single student in the course trades method using options, stocks, forex. This is a trade from one of the graduates, Ed. As you can see his post from June 2017 when he was long the market. This is his short last week. This is what he accomplished. And this is the reason I live and breathe what I do, that pure and that simple. Every single student in the course has different circumstances, trades different instruments. No surprise whatsoever. As S&P reached reversal zone. This is long from Ed last year. All posted under testimonies on the website. And this is S&P struggling at reversal zone, but respecting key support. Let's look at a few other emails, shall we? Here's another email from another student, Jeff. He fired his financial advisor. Have you done that? He trades stocks long term. Here's another email from Jeff, who is out of the market. He's in Florida right now. Would you like to see that? Why not? Is everybody seeing the importance of key Fibonacci support? Everyone is clear on that, where trail is placed is not random. Do you remember that image of S&P we just reviewed on monthly chart, that key Fibonacci support, the famous 1800 number that was holding the key to that correction? Remember what we discussed prior? And that's 1 minute chart. Remember where the trail is placed? Right outside of this support? Drastically two different trades. Reversal zone remains present. Reversal zone remains an obstacle. Drastically different risk management on this both trades. You decide once you learn the method what's appropriate for you and your account size. 9 minutes before the oil news, I will bring up the chart on oil. Again, all the information about course under Learn. All classes are live, modules only supplemental. Group course for weeks extended to 8 in case you need to take time off for any reason you wish. Adding a week or two, never a problem. Private mentoring 16 weeks, group course included. Materials included. I'm with students 4-5 days a week. You learn proprietary Fibonacci strategies, proprietary Fibonacci tools that applies to any instrument, any time frame, any platform. I teach exact same strategies to micro forex trader in Uganda that I trade, to retirees in Florida who trade stocks and options, to hedge fund managers in Qatar, in Switzerland, in London, in New York. What you trade, absolutely up to you. I live and breathe what I do, and I show this clearly in my classes, as my students become my dearest friends for life. Strategy classes, key classes on Monday and Friday, unless it's a holiday week, unless I take a vacation. I always overcompensate, and I teach before more, and I teach after. And again, you will get an extra week. I meet with students pre-market, Monday through Thursday. Trading room always closed on Friday. Trading room included in the course. Money management, trading psychology is a key. When I work with you in private mentoring, I work via Skype and TeamViewer. If you choose to trade on NinjaTrader 7, I set up charts and Fibonacci tool for you. We concentrate on the instrument of your choice. You trade on Thinkorswim, you trade on Interactive Brokers, you trade on Infinity, on MT4, you trade on platforms I've never heard of? Not a problem. Students in 50 plus countries in the last 8 years. And again, my favorite part of the website, always what students have to say about course. As you can hear, traders from beginner to hedge fund trader. Traders from Forex to ETFs to stocks to options, sharing how they trade the method and what they think about course. If you ever have any questions, never hesitate to contact me, info@fibinstitute.com on 925-257-4298. As S&P reached reversal zone and struggling, is that possible? Only correction and trail respected, drastically different numbers. Exact same concept. And that's what you're witnessing daily in the trading room. And that's what you decide what to do on your position. As Price reminding you, this is your investment decisions, traders. This is where we are on monthly. This is where we are on weekly. Choice is yours. Every single instrument, when it reaches reversal zone, collapses completely 80+% of the time. First time in years. Bullish rally reached reversal zone. What's holding the key is this, to this collapse. And that's what you're seeing right now on 1 minute chart. Exact same formula. And that's what you will see next on oil news. Oil news in 5 minutes. As we discussed, if oil collapsing to reversal zone, we are not leaving the screen. It's institutional support that correlates with day trading reversal zone. If you are an oil trader, this is a day you are not leaving the screen, because it will hardly ever happen. It's holding the key to this sell-off, as you see right now on 1 minute chart on S&P. Exact same thing as long-term chart on oil. Identical formula. Except you don't have to wait. for weeks, months, and years. You see it instantly now. Agree on that? Price comes to reversal zone, very powerful reminder, not the place to buy. Expect reversal. But as long as this DP2 expected, it's only a correction. But if you choose to pull a trigger and acquire position into reversal zone, nothing good is possible. Choice is yours. What you decide to do. As gold reminding you, it's a reversal zone, just like S&P. But as long as this support is respected, it's only a correction. And just to walk down memory lane, as we already discussed on gold, but in case you missed that discussion, that's what I said in February 2016, when oil gold was at 1128. It heading to 1200 and 1300. And that's what gold had done next. Remember that? No surprise. And that's where gold is now. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. Identical formula on S&P 1 minute chart in front of you. Every day, every time, you're witnessing the accuracy of the method in live markets. You want to trade ETFs, you want to trade stocks, you want to trade options. It's your choice. Strategy, formula, and rule-based method remains the same. Psychology of a trader, your account size, and what appeals to you is your choice. Oil news extremely bullish. So is it possible extremely bullish news on oil and oil respecting this level? My goodness, how did I know? Will moving average tell you that? The end of the minor trend is present, not the place to buy. If you buy at support, not at resistance. It is not monthly levels, Michael. It is day trading levels. It's a reversal zone. Drastically two different trades converted to 1 minute chart. Showing you accuracy remains the same. It's a reversal zone on both trades. Not the place to buy. It's a key resistance on oil. No matter how beautiful and bullish news is, not the place to buy. Identical formula across all charts. Are you surprised? You want to buy on the news? If buying on the news and using indicators would have produced results, everyone would be Bill Gates. And no, I would never convert monthly levels to 1 minute chart. That would be quite a chart. But I would convert 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 25, 64, 14 and a half to 1 minute chart. So you can see accuracy instantly. Once again this morning. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you witness the accuracy of the method that applies to any instrument, any time frame. I hope you witness the importance of respecting reversal zone. I hope you witness the importance of the end of the minor trend, no matter how bullish the news is. All the same formula. So if you ever have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fiboinstitute.com. So here we are, 40 minutes later, price dancing in ultimate correction on S&P 1 minute chart and reminding you, knowing where to place your trail, knowing what separates correction from reversal is the key. Drastically two different trades, drastically different stop. Exact same corrective dance as S&P had done on monthly, respecting famous 1800 number. So ladies and gentlemen, as we discussed before, when I was looking for Jeff's email, I finally found it. As you're witnessing S&P dancing in correction on 1 minute chart, yes? As you're witnessing key support respected. Drastically two different trades. I'm closing room next, but first reminding you, knowledgeable traders, knowledgeable graduates, this is what Jeff accomplished. You saw what he's done in last year, and he's in cash week before the collapse. Because weekly right at the top. So that was his personal decision. What decision you will make, what instrument you are holding, absolutely up to you. And that's the reason I live and breathe what I do. So thank you, traders. Market remains in correction. We're not babysitters of the markets. If you know what to do with your position, if you know what separates correction from reversal, you are in excellent shape, just like Jeff, and you are taking an enjoyable vacation. Thank you so much. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.